Okay, it's a historic day for our nation and the International Space Program, really. And it's the second attempt for Bob and Doug to launch on the Crew Dragon. And behind this hatch is where they will dock tomorrow. I wanted to talk a little bit about this very special flag right here. This flag was first flown on STS-1 with John Young and Bob Crippen. It was then later flown at the end of the space shuttle program on STS-135, of which Doug happened to be a crew member on that mission as well. STS-135 brought this flag to the space station with the intent that it would be returned with the return of the first commercial crew rocket that would launch from Florida. So at the conclusion of their stay on board the space station with us, they will return this flag with them and kind of complete the journey, if you will. Down in Florida right now, they had the go no go for launch. Historic day. I'm super honored and excited to be part of it in a small way and greet these guys when they come through the hatch. It means a lot to everybody. It means a lot to a lot of people. A lot of hard work. All right. All the best from Node 2 of the International Space Station, the very forward part of our ship. This is the bow, so to speak, and go Dragon.
Count. Take it away, John.
So it's SpaceX launch day.
Minus 13 minutes, 30 seconds.
You heard him. T-minus 13 minutes, 30 seconds, counting down.
We're continuing to load fuel onto the first stage. That should finish up.
Pretty cool.
Second stage.
I think they just said the last big go-no-go for weather's at 7 minutes, so that's like 6 minutes from now.
Into the storage vessels on the first and second stage gets us, just like we do with liquid oxygen, the maximum amount into the storage
We've
volume
got
so that we can
cameras
get the most
going in
performance
multiple
out of the
windows.
vehicle.
Yvonne has a camera in there. I have a camera in there. We've got a camera in the wharf window. So here's Yvonne right now, and he's setting up a camera, and we're trying to figure out the best angles to get pictures. 10 minutes to go, man.
SpaceX Dragon displays are configured for launch.
Displays configured for launch. Awesome.
Doug, on behalf of the entire SpaceX team, it's been a huge honor to help you get ready for today's historic mission.
Thanks, Jay. It is absolutely our honor to be part of this huge effort to get the United States back in the launch business. We'll talk to you for more, but thank you.
Get some, Doug and Bob. Here we go.
And then the fuel load will complete.
So close. 350.
They have
In
insight
1 minute, we're going directly over KSC.
9, they're able to see where their
I'm
fuel
gonna go.
loading is at, how everything's progressing down, what they count.
AFTS final setup started.
Going to get the picture in the warp.
3.5 minutes for launch.
And the strongback is now reclining away from the Falcon 9.
Great pictures right over the pad. Come on.
Dragon, SpaceX, go for launch.
Yeah!
SpaceX Dragon, we're go for launch. Let's light this candle.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Here we go. Get it, get it, get it.
Stage 1 tanks pressing for flight.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA.
Yeah!
SpaceX. Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
America has launched. So rises a new era of American spaceflight, and with the ambitions of a new generation continuing to dream. 20 seconds into flight, stage 1 propulsion.
Here we
is
go.
nominal.
Going to the cupola.
T+ 30 seconds into this historic mission.
Second engine cut off.
Stage
We'll
1
be looking for that stage 1 landing burn shortly after.
Is that pressurized?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, just within a few seconds of each other.
No, is it pressurized?
And it's right at about 12 minutes
Oh,
when
yes.
Dragon will separate.
Yeah,
Looks like we saw a 0G indicator floating around there.
They do ensure that the vehicle is
Okay.
not spinning and it is in good
We're gonna have 2 new
condition
crewmates here
before we
tomorrow.
separate.
Well, a few things have to happen
Camera
between now and then,
does
but
small
that was a big
attitude
thing.
maneuver using cold gas thrusters.
Well, it's DM-2 docking morning. Just woke up and gotta hurry up and get my exercise in because it's a busy day with other stuff. But super exciting. What an awesome day it was yesterday to watch that launch go. Knowing that they're coming here made it even more special. Alright, gotta go knock out my exercise. They're holding right at 200 meters right now. They're just wrapping up manual flight test objectives, and then in a short little bit we'll start into approach 2. And I've got this procedure here which we're following along. Right now we're in block Charlie, monitoring Dragon manual flight test. The vehicle mode is manual flight. There they are.
You copy and concur.
And that's 200 meters from the center line of the space station. And as soon as I get inside of 200 meters here, I'm going to switch to a different reference point, and we'll reference from the docking port.
We do plan to hold briefly at waypoint 2, so reminder that crew visors down are not required until the ground is preparing to commence the final approach.
Chris, you can monitor now for step 2. That's step 2 and 1.104 Crew Dragon approach and retrieve monitor.
Copy. Step 2 and work. Steps 3 and 4 is complete. Crew on the International Space Station is ready for docking. All right, 20 meters, here we go.
Dragon copies all on the big loop. Go for docking.
Go for docking. That's a good one.
3 and 4 and 1.104 Crew Dragon approach and retrieve monitor.
Copy. Steps 3 and 4.
SpaceX Dragon on the big loop. Our visors are down.
Visors down. They are.
Copy visors down.
They're sitting right there at 20 meters from the docking port. One more view.
SpaceX and Station Dragon on the big loop. We are inbound from approach 2.
Yeah, I have all this grammaticiously.
Okay, in this time we should be in.
Yeah, полотник костюма.
That's okay.
Yeah, by here.
Right here. Okay.
16:30-40. It takes a long time for the hooks.
I was so nice pictures.
I got some. What? Oh, wrong camera.
I got some.
Dragon SpaceX docking sequence is complete.
SpaceX Dragon, we copy, docking complete. Just like to say that it's been a real honor to be just a small part of this 9-year endeavor since the last time the United States spaceship has docked with the International Space Station.
Dragon arriving. The crew of Expedition 63 is honored to welcome Dragon and the Commercial Crew program to welcome aboard the International Space Station. Bob and Doug, glad to have you as part of the crew. Well done. Bravo Zulu.
Never happy. Thank you, Chris.
We have a Dragon.
Yeah. Okay.
You got it? Yeah. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Doing great. How was your night of sleep?
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Go in. Look. Smatri. Sounds like gopher hatch opening. Here comes the handle. Here we go! Wow, it's quiet. You can see the mechanisms rotating. Clicks, they're at the end of the travel. What's up, big dogs? How you doing? That's a smooth hatch, man. We couldn't even hear the mechanisms moving.
We didn't even feel a dock.
We have Bob Behnken from SpaceX Demo-2 mission entering the International Space Station, followed by Doug Hurley.
Subscribe for more space.